Next, eighth problem. X minus 3 by x equal to 2. Given quadratic equation x minus 3 by x equal to 2. Here any fraction having take LCM. Any fraction having take LCM. LCM x into x square. Here x into x square minus. Next having by x, so direct write numerator x square minus 3 by x equal to 2. Here compulsory take LCM x into x square minus 3 direct rate equal to 2. Next shifted 2 into x 2x x square plus becomes minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. First to write x squares, x values, constant values, any one. Compulsory x square write, x write, constant write. Here x square, this is the splitted plus x minus 3x minus 2x, adding is equal to the middle term. Product plus into minus 3x into x 3x square minus 3x square minus 3x square. Okay. Any two terms, adding is equal to the middle term. Product is equal to the product of last two terms. Plus into minus x into 3x square minus 3x square. So satisfied. X square plus x minus, or anyone minus 3x plus x, anyone take. Any side, anyone. X square plus x minus 3x or x square minus 3x plus x, anyone. Minus 3 equal to 0. X common, x plus 1. Minus 3 common, x plus 1. Y minus into plus minus a. Here x plus 1 common. Remaining x minus 3 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. X minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Minus 1 comma 3. Next, ninth problem. 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 12. This is the given quadratic equation. This is the 3 into a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square into a square plus b. This is the bracket take compulsory. 3 into a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus x, b plus 4. This is the bracket close. Remaining minus 5 into x minus 5x minus 5 into minus 4 minus into minus plus 5 4s 20 equal to 12. This is the expansion. 3 into x square 4 square 16 2 4s 8x bracket close minus 5x plus 20 equal to 12 plus 12 becomes minus 12 equal to 0. All shifted equal to 0. 3 into x square 3x square 3 into 16 48 3 into minus 8x minus 3 8s 24x. Remaining right same, plus it becomes minus. First x squares observe, only 3x square. X is observe minus 24 minus 5 minus 29x plus 48 20 minus 12 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 48 plus 56. Here plus 8 plus 48 56. 3x square. Here to adding is equal to minus 21 minus 8 equal to the minus 29 minus into minus plus 21 8s. This is the product of last two terms equal. Product of last two terms 3 into 56. 3x square into 56. 3 6 18 3 5 15 168 x square. Product of last two terms. This is the product of last two terms. Adding is equal to the minus 21 minus 28 minus 21 minus 8 minus 29 minus into minus plus 21 8s 21x into 8x minus into minus here minus minus into minus plus 8 1s 8 8 2s 16 x into x square. This is the equal. Any two terms, adding is equal to the middle term. Product is equal to the product of last two terms. Last two terms 168 x square. Product is equal to the 168 x square minus into minus plus. So minus 21 minus 8. 3 common, 3x common, x minus 7, x also common. Minus 8 common, x minus 7, minus into minus plus. X minus 7 common, 3x minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7. 3x minus 8 equal to 0, minus becomes plus. Next into 3 becomes by 3. Next second problem. find two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let two numbers let x comma y, two numbers x comma y. Sum of two numbers 27. Sum means plus x plus two numbers x y. So x plus y equal 27, y equal to 27 minus x. Y shifted to in x values. Y equal 27 minus equation number 1. Given product means into na x into y, two numbers x y. So x into y equal to 182. X into y value 27 minus x equal to 182 from 1. Y value this is from 1, 27 minus x, right? 27 minus x minus 27 into x 27x minus 27 into x 27 27 into x 27x 27 into x 27x minus x into x square equal to 182. 27x minus first to write this is shifted minus becomes plus x square, plus becomes minus. Here this is the shifted, this one, so plus 182 equal to 0. All shifted equal to 0. Take any two numbers, minus 14 minus 13. Here minus 14 minus 13 minus 27, minus into minus plus 14 into 13 182, x into x square 182 x square, product of last two terms, minus 14x minus 13x, 1 plus 182 equals 0. Suppose here 182 2 9s 2 1s, next 13 7s. Here 13 2 7, 13 into 2 into 7. So here having minus 27, adding 13 one number, 2 sevens 14 another number. So minus 13 minus 14x minus 13x, or minus 13x minus anyone take x come here 13 into 14 182. So minus 13x minus 14x minus 13x, anyone, minus into minus plus 14 into 13 182, x into x square. So x common, x minus 14 minus 13 common, x minus 14 minus into minus plus 13 into 14 13 into 14 13 into 14 182. So 13 into 14 182. X minus 14 common, x minus 13, x minus 14 equal to 0 one value, x minus 13 equal to 0 one value, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, two values case 1 case 2 take. If x equal to 14 from 1 means y equal to 27 minus x. X value 14 27 minus 14, 27 minus 14 13. If x equal to 14 y equal to 13. Case 2 x equal to 13 from 1, y equal to 27 minus 6, x plus 13, y equal to 14, 13 14 or 14 13, anyone. So required numbers 13 comma 14 or 14 comma 13, anyone. Required numbers, let two required numbers 13 comma 14 or 14 comma 13, anyone, right now. Find